morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 6 Presentation Assembly. Yes, it's Friday, the 1st of April 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children who have earned themselves certificates throughout this spring term. It's been an amazing term. We're going to kick off though this morning looking at the top 3 house points in each of those classes and see those children be working so hard on earning all of their merits and house points. Look at those house points, an amazing number. In Mr. Davidson's, we've got Jessica on 82, we've got Adrielle on 96, we've got Joshua out in the lead just on 97, so well done Joshua, just pipping Adrielle there for the spring term, so well done you three, huge congratulations, give them a massive round of applause. And then Miss Percy's, look at this, Nadia 140, Milana 152, way out in the lead there, Janisa on 169, huge congratulations. Just got to multiply those by 5 because you'll see how many merits these children are earning. It is phenomenal Year 6, so really well done Year 6. Massive cheer for Mr. Allen as well, so well done. And let's find out if some of them have won some certificates throughout this term as well, so let's see. We're starting obviously with Miss Percy's English Stars, and here we go. We've got Aston, Zach, Lily and Lily May. Now you guys have made amazing progress throughout this spring term and working so hard on your English, so really well done. Enjoy taking your English certificate home with you today, you absolute superstars. Well done. On to Miss Percy's Maths Stars. Look at the Maths, and we've got some of them here. Look, some of those, Nadia and Joshua as well, who appeared in those top 3. So we've got Nadia, Goda, Josh and Xavier. Look, you guys have been working so hard on your maths lessons throughout, and the progress you've been making as well in your mock stats were just phenomenal. So really well done you four. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you today, you superstars. We've got also then our Reading Stars. Now, not only are these guys going to be taking certificates, we're going to be taking a reading book home to read over Easter as well. So huge congratulations. And I know how much you guys have been reading every single day. So we've got Amelia, we've got Josh, we've got Martin, we've got Jessica May. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. A massive amount of reading I know has been going on with you guys. And enjoy taking your certificate and your reading book home with you over Easter. Well done, you four. And to Miss Percy's History Stars. And now these guys love history. You talk to them about history, they are historians in the making. So you've got Janisa, we've got Dragos, we've got Oliver, and we've got Amber. And again, some amazing history work that has gone on throughout this term. But not only that, but their knowledge as well of that is phenomenal. And I know how much they really enjoy their history lessons. So well done you four, you superstars. And on to our scientists. Look at these scientists as well. So Miss Percy's scientists, again, these guys loving their science lessons. So we've got Zane, we've got Milana, we've got Erica, we've got Isabel, working so hard throughout this term on their science. That's right the way through, from January right the way through. So huge congratulations you four. Massive amount of science has gone on, I know, in Year 6. So really well done. And huge congratulations on earning yourself a certificate today. Well done. And finally on Miss Percy's PE Stars. Now I know these guys have been really physically active. They've been amazing in my games lessons as well. So you've got Diego, you've got William, you've got Bianca, and we've got Lamin. They've been so athletic, so competitive. It's been absolutely amazing. But actually following instructions and learning new games really quickly. So well done you four, super impressive. Enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today. And then keep up being physically active over Easter as well. Not too many Easter eggs please, all right? So let's do some HIIT routines as well, okay? Come on guys. I know that might wipe the smile off some of your faces, but come on, let's keep ourselves fit over Easter as well. On to Mr. Davison Stars. Look at Mr. Davison Stars. Here's the English Stars. And look, we're straight there with Adrielle, top 3 finisher. There he is. So we've got Adrielle, we've got Freya, we've got Fabian, and we've got Leo working so hard throughout this term. Amazing way. Freya, lovely smile, just makes me smile. So huge congratulations, guys. Really well done on earning your English certificates for the spring term. So well deserved. And Mr. Davidson's Reading Stars. And again, not only these guys taking certificate, they're going to get a reading book to take home as well. So we've got Gracie, we've got Olivia, we've got Oliver, and we've got Kieran. Well done, guys. I know you guys are reading every single day, reading avidly, so it's really impressive to see. You can keep that up over Easter. I hope you enjoy your reading book that comes home with your certificate as well, and tell me all about it after Easter. Well done, you four. Mr. Davison scientists. Look at these scientists. Look at these scientists in the making. We've got Connor, we've got Jessica, we've got Summer, and we've got Logan working so well throughout this term. Again, right the way from January, working so hard on science every single week. And I know how much these guys love their science as well. You just talk to them about it, and they absolutely love their science lessons as well. So huge congratulations and well done to you four. and our mathematicians. Look at these mathematicians. The progress these guys have made at maths has been phenomenal in this spring term. That's the main standout point that I have to raise for these guys. You've got Amber, you've got Bart, you've got Brooklyn, you've got Joe. Really well done, guys. From where you were in January to where you are now, miles away. So you moved so far. You made such amazing progress. You should give yourselves a really good pat on the back. Enjoy taking your math certificates home with you today, you superstars. And our history stars, look at these historians. Big smile. Ruben, you are making me smile. Just look at you. Well done, buddy. So you've got Ruben, we've got Ashton, we've got Deanna, and we've got Alicia, our historians. And again, these guys loving their history lessons, but working so hard. And some of the work they've produced is phenomenal. So really well done, guys. Your presentation as well for that has been exceptional. So well done. Enjoy taking your history certificates home with you today, you superstars. We have our PE stars. Look at these guys. And again, these guys have been amazing in my games lessons as well. So we've got Evie, we've got Amelia, we've got Sophia, and we've got Logan. Really well done, guys. Huge congratulations on earning your PE certificates. You've been absolutely working so hard. It's fantastic to see. So please do keep that up. Keep it up over Easter as well. Not too many Easter eggs, okay? Well done, guys. Well done to everyone. Amazing effort from everyone in Year 6. What a phenomenal term it has been. With our mock SATs as well. Really looking forward to our SATs when they appear in the summer term. Because you work so hard, all of you, every single one of you. Whether you want a certificate or not, you should give yourselves a pat on the back. So really well done. As you can see, back to school, Tuesday the 19th of April 2022. Gates will be open at 8:30. We're not open on the Monday because Monday the 18th is a bank holiday. It just leaves me to say happy Easter, everyone. Have a fantastic and happy Easter as well. And we'll see you all on Tuesday the 19th of April. Until then, bye-bye now.